Hey you guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. Boxycharm is here. So let's jump into it. Little disclaimer before we start, Boxycharm did send me this box to try. All right, so starting off this video, we have the product card and it says Boxycharm. It's giving giftable glam. All right, so the first product in this month's Boxycharm box is the In My Element palette by Imovie. Imovie is Addison Rae's brand, for those of you who don't know, and this palette is just so gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch a few of these so you guys can see what we are working with. Let's do one more. And wow, and there are the swatches right there. One swipe swatches, and I am wearing this palette on my eyes today. This is such a perfect palette for the fall, for the holidays coming up, and I am so in love. The Imovie In My Element eyeshadow palette retails for $24. Next, we have the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. This is a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy, radiant looking skin. I am so in love with this cream, you guys. It's not greasy and it just makes your skin look so radiant, so glowy, so flawless. The Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream retails for $57. Next, we have the Sophia and Mabel Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil. And this is gonna give you soft, glossy lips with no tackiness. It is lightly colored. And I just love the way it feels on the lips. The Sophia and Mabel Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil retails for $22. Next, we have the Amina Macaron Lip Scrub. And you guys, this smells so good. This is made with organic and all-natural lip-safe ingredients. And you can lick it right off when you are done exfoliating your lips because it's made with real sugar. The Amina Macaron Lip Scrub retails for $18. And last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm box is the LES or Less Beauty Lower East Side Cream Bronzer. This is a lightweight, creamy bronzer, and it blends like a dream. The Less Beauty Cream Bronzer retails for $18. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm box. You guys, Boxycharm is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and just an overall great way to grow your collection. It also makes the perfect gift for someone who loves makeup, hair care, skin care, because Christmas is coming up, you guys. So yeah, you guys can use my link in the description box below to shop. I do make a little bit of money from that link, so if you wanna help me out as well as get your Boxycharm, then click that link below. I just wanna say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you wanna see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.